Welcome to our channel One Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos to help you guys fix a problem step by step, one step at a time. And in today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you guys can share large files or like large videos on your Gmail. So it's pretty simple, but you need to use another application of Google for that, alright? And it's called Google Drive. So the first step is you want to search for DRIVE Drive. Search for Drive, you want to click on sign in Google Drive. Once you click on it, it's going to ask you to log in into your Google account. Once you log in into your Google account, Google Drive will open up over here. So any large files and folder which is large for sending into Gmail, first you need to upload it into Drive, and through Drive you need to send it to the person, alright? So I'm going to be showing you the step. Once you open Drive over here, before moving forward, just don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. Let's move on. So once you open Drive, and in order to upload any files folder on your Drive, you can just click on plus new over here at the side and click on where it says file upload. Once you click on it, you can choose whichever file you want to upload from your computer over here. Once you choose it, you can click on open, and it's going to open and it's going to be uploaded over here. Once the upload is complete, it's going to be shown up over here on the Drive front screen. Once you see it, so let's say for an example, I want to share this audio on my Gmail, but it was too large for me to just send it on Gmail. Now I upload it on Drive. Now once you upload on Drive, your part 1 is complete, and the other step is just right click on the audio and click on where it says share. Once you click on share over here, you need to enter the email of the person to whom you want to send. So let's say this is the email of the person to whom I want to send this. After I write the email over here, add the message. I can even write the message ENJOY, enjoy your audio. I can just write this over here and click on send. Once I click on send, it has been sent to this email. Now I'm going to go to that email to show you that I have received that. As you guys can see, I've opened my Gmail and I have received the audio over here just like that, as you guys can see. So yeah, that's basically how you guys can send large files or folder or like video or audio on your Gmail. So if you guys found our video helpful, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel One Step. And I'll see you guys on my future video. Bye bye until then.